Debnath Art Hub. Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting medical kit. So let's start to draw. At first we will draw the medical box. Yeah, like that. So always remember, drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Step by step follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. The medical sign is here, the cross sign for medical emergency sign. Yeah, like that. And this is the tablet look like. And what is this, guys? Just look at how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. This is a bottle which is used for medicine. Yeah, like that. Step by step follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. Yeah, they are almost done. And this is the injection. Yes, like that. Now it's time to learn the color's name. This is our colors: blue color, red color, dark yellow color, orange color. At first we are using the orange color. Thank you little friends. Bye bye.